is a biomarker? How do we make sure that the research design is actually inclusive? How do we make sure that what we call here postcode lottery doesn't affect you, depending on where you live? How do we make sure that sensitive health information is robustly kept? How do we make sure that we have appropriate and balanced disease progression and treatment outcome data sets recovered? So because biobanks have become so data rich, we have a new set of problems. You know, how do we access, how do we share the data? Daniel, what's a large language model? All right, okay. We're getting now into the new field. It hasn't taken that long, has it? Okay. Anyone wants to, is anyone wants to give it a try as to what's a large language model? Have you heard of that before? Right. Yeah, are you being a bit shy? Are you being a bit shy? Okay. All right. So I do a lot of research on that. Yeah. No fun. No? Okay. No? Tell you want to give it a try, or shall I give it a try? I'd rather you give it first. What's a large language model? A large language model is a statistical representation of billions of words that have been scraped from the internet, from the research literature, from Wikipedia, from Reddit, whereby is able to map the likelihood of how a particular word relates to another. And it's basically a way to encoding relationships between the words as observed in the body of human knowledge, whereby you end up having representations of weights that basically describe how words relate to each other.